Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen. Please stay for the entire video. Hit that like button because I'll be doing for you beef and potatoes. Our family and friends, let me welcome you to my kitchen. Welcome to my new subscribers, and for those who continue to join week after week, thank you so much. Let me wish you all the best for this holiday season. So guys, I have 2 kilograms of beef that I have washed, cleaned, drained, seasoned, guys, and allowed to marinate for about 2 hours. After marinating, guys, in a frying pan, in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I will fry my beef until they are golden brown. Now guys, the smell of the kitchen done turn up 100 already. So I invite you to hit that like button. I invite you to comment, tell me where you are watching from, and I will send a special greeting to you. Please remember, turn on your post notification so you will be notified as soon as I upload a video. Remember, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. So guys, I have all fried them nicely. It's actually fried in 2 batches, guys. And of course, I place it in the pan with the marinade. Now guys, if you like beef, just tell me, how do you like to prepare it? And guys, tell me, what is your favorite side to go with your beef? Now guys, as you can see, I'm done frying 1 batch, and I put the other batch in to fry until it is golden brown. Now guys, if only you could have smelled all of the goodness here going on in the kitchen. I totally enjoy preparing this for you. So afterwards, guys, I put the marinade with the first batch into the frying pan, guys. And guys, I just allow this to sit for about 30 seconds so I can absorb all the flavors from the frying pan. Next, guys, I place this in my pressure pot with some thyme, some ginger, and some garlic, guys. And then I add some stock to this, guys, cover it and allow it to pressure for about 20 minutes. Now, because these beef are in cubes, guys, it does not take long for it to be done. So after 20 minutes, guys, just look at this. Soft to the touch, guys, nice, good, and ready. And just look at the texture. Now, guys, in another saucepan, I've added some chopped onion, some chopped scallion, guys. I've added to that some carrots, guys, for texture and color, and I'm gonna add my potatoes. To that, I'm gonna throw the stock of the beef, guys, into the saucepan, and then I'm gonna add to that some tomato ketchup. Yes, stew beef can't be stew beef without some tomato ketchup, guys. I'm gonna add to that some butter and a variety of dry herbs and spices. I'm gonna allow that to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, guys, and then add to that my cooked beef. Now guys, I'm gonna top this off with some bell peppers and some tomatoes, guys. Good. I can't wait to dig in. I've added just a little bit of cornstarch to this, guys, just to allow for it to be thickened, guys, and then serve this up. Look upon this beef and potato never looked so good yet. Thank you guys for staying with me in the kitchen. It's once again another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week, guys.